that's right. So we've been expanding across the Southeast Asian region for the last 12 to 24 months now. And you're absolutely right. We've been expanding in Indonesia, in Jakarta, Malaysia, we're in both Johor and Kuala Lumpur. And even in India, we've just opened our new data center in Chennai, and we're hoping to open our next Mumbai data center very shortly. And you're absolutely right. We've also entered the Philippines through the acquisition of TIM, and we've acquired 3 data centers here. Now, the number one criteria we use when assessing whether to enter a market is essentially customer demand. Customer demand drives a lot of our thinking. And so because we have 10,000 customers all around the world, they've been asking us to expand into the ASEAN region. And Manila was one of the areas that they wanted us to move into. And so based on that customer demand, as well as things like access to renewable energy, the regulatory landscape here in Manila, as well as some of the socioeconomic kind of indicators, the digitization of the economy, the rapid expansion of 5G networks, et cetera, we decided to enter into the Manila or in the Philippines market, and we've done that through the acquisition of the TIM business. So liquid cooling is essentially a technology that allows you to put more power into the same amount of space, because what you're doing is cooling the chips that operate inside the servers with liquid, which is far more efficient than cooling it with air. So having recognized that at Equinix, every data center that we are building from this point onwards will be liquid cooling enabled, and that'll be direct-to-chip liquid cooling enabled. Even the data center we're standing in now, if a customer were to ask us for liquid cooling, we could provide that technology to them to cool their infrastructure. The reason liquid cooling is so efficient is because it uses a liquid to cool the chips and to extract heat from the servers. Now, we also use a combination of air and liquid cooling to make sure that all of the equipment is cooled appropriately, but it's just significantly more efficient from a PUE perspective to cool equipment with liquid and air as opposed to just air. And so it helps not just our operations achieve a lower PUE, but also means that we're doing it in a more sustainable way and essentially using less energy to cool the equipment that our customers are using in our sites.